Hey guys, we have a unboxing slash unbagging today from Smoky Mountain Knife Works from their Danebridge warehouse. And before we get into this, which will be just a sec, I'm going to ask you real kindly to please hit that subscribe button below. Please hit that bell notification icon. It'd really help me out. It'll also notify you when I release new EDC content. Unboxing knife today will be the little Watchman Amazon fixed blade I picked up and unboxed yesterday. Testing it out. Let's see what we've got here. Let's see if we've upped our sticker game. Guys, Smoky Mountain Knives has just given up on the sticker game. But anyway, neither here nor there. So what we have here is a Rough Ryder Reserve. And it is the Rough Ryder Reserve RRR 020. You're probably thinking, John, the RRR 020 doesn't mean anything to me. And I get you, it doesn't mean anything to me either. It's just the way that they name them. But by the looks of it, it's going to be a little bit bigger knife. And it is. The oil off of it. All right, guys. So the Rough Ryder, what do we call it? The 020 pattern. And guys, I thought this was a really neat looking blade. It struck me as a good EDC size knife. I love the way that it arches in the hand. It just seems like it's a very comfortable knife, and it is. It's got that ricotta right down there that's going to kind of protect you from having it close on your finger. It does have a very distinct max pull here and a really nicely done swedge on this spear point blade. Appears very sharp. Nice sharpening choil. I think this is ebony wood handles, brass liners, and stainless spring. Yeah, D2 steel. Again, it's the RRR 020 is the pattern. Rough Ryder Reserve. And I would say this one has a little stiffer pull. I'm going to give that about a 6. Give that about a 7, 6, 6. So let's get some of our paper and see how this thing cuts. And what we are going to cut, since we didn't get any stickers, is we will cut our return label form. I got in the choil, guys, so that sharpened choil. It is sharp, but it could use some love from the strop. But not very good cutter. I mean, I think once it gets stropped up, maybe a little bit of honing on it, it'll be a great sharp slicer. And the way I look at it is I kind of look at the way that the blade's designed and the way that you hold it in your hand. It just seems like it's going to pull material into that cut. Again, I'm not going to be using it for hard use stuff. I'm just going to be using it to, you know, carry as a secondary carry, to break out open boxes, to make cuts where I need to make them, and, you know, just go from there. Let's do a couple of quick size comparisons with some knives we might all be familiar with. Benchmade bug out. It's right about the same size as the Benchmade bug out, maybe a hair smaller. Benchmade baby bug out. So that gives you guys an idea. Next to some modern folders, let's look at it next to the Ohio River Jack from Traditional Pocket Knives. My first slip joint. And let's look at it for S&Gs next to the big hippo toe from Rough Ryder Reserve. So guys, this is about as long as the hippo toe, a little bit longer than the Ohio River Jack. Be nice, I guess, if I put those in frame for you guys. But that gives you, I think, a good size. Now let's get a couple of measurements. And I'll have the name of this knife, how Smoky Mountain names it, in the description and in the title. We'll call it the 0020 for now. Let's break out our handy Javon promotional ruler. And we will see that this knife is 6 3/4 inches with a 3-inch blade. 4-inch handle to that ricotta. You've got right at about a 4-inch grip. And let's get an idea of how thick this blade is. Back here at the back, 0.112. Up here at the front, 0.060. Behind the edge, bloop. Whoops. 0.031. And then our handle width at the widest point is 0.53, but it tapers down to 0.45. And guys, the last bit of information I will share with you on this unboxing, because this is just an unboxing. I will carry this knife and give you my reviews after I live with it for a while. 3.45 ounces. So it is a, you've got a pocket knife in your hand or in your pocket. I think it's going to be a good addition to my collection. Maybe this is the end of my pocket knife, traditional slip joint infatuation. But guys, I'll be honest with you, when I see them and I see unique ones that look like they're made well, that have good reviews, I'm drawn to them. I don't know why. To me, it's bizarre. But hopefully this is towards the end. I'll be heading to Blade Show. I'll be back from Blade Show by the time this goes out. But no, this will go out today. So when I head to Blade Show, there's a chance that I'll bump into my friend Ben Belkin and pick up a Jack Wolf. That's something I've kind of been really had my eye on. And that would then have me done with my slip joint collection, but we'll see. It's going to be a big blade show. There are going to be a lot of slip joints over there, a lot of fixed blades, a lot of modern folders, most importantly, a lot of fantastic humans. Guys, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.